Today I'm changing the transfer case fluid in a 2006 Jeep Liberty. Before beginning, make sure you have all the tools and materials needed. A good shop manual, sockets, ratchet, torque wrench, rags, drain pan, and new lubricant. Here I'll use AMSOIL Signature Series ATF. Make sure you check your owner's manual or shop manual for the appropriate materials for your own vehicle. Make sure your wheels are locked and chocked and never get under a vehicle held up by a jack. Work safe. Some people will find there's adequate room to reach the drain plug and the fill plug without lifting the vehicle. I've lifted it a couple inches and set it on jack stands for just a little extra clearance. If you lift the vehicle any amount, make sure it's done in a safe manner and never get under a vehicle held up by a jack. You should have the fluid warmed up to get out as much as possible. A few miles of driving does that. This is the drain plug. This is the fill plug. Remove the fill plug first. That assures you don't put yourself in a situation where you just drained the oil and now can't get the fill plug out to refill it. Once the old lubricant is drained, I'll reinstall the drain plug and torque it to spec. The shop manual doesn't call for any sealant, but I've had plugs that seeped a little, so I'm using sealant. The AMSOIL G2039 Auto and Marine Gear Lube Pump is a slick way to get the new lubricant into the transfer case. It comes with a couple different sized tubes that attach to the bottom of the pump so it works with both quarts and gallons. The unit is full when it's filled to the bottom of the fill hole. Pump lubricant in until it runs out and then it's just right.
There it is. Got her full.
I'll reinstall the fill plug and torque to the manufacturer's specified value. The clicker style torque wrench is easier to use than the beam type. I set the desired torque value and can hear and feel the click when it reaches the set value. If you like the video or find it helpful, leave a thumbs up or a comment and subscribe to the channel. For more information or to purchase AMSOIL products, see the links in the description to this video or go to MidwestSynthetic.com. Thanks for watching.